Unfortunately, the weather, as we thought, isn't the best today. It's still nice, but it's just cloudy, not as clear as yesterday. We're going to try and go up one of the cable cars if it looks clear. If not, we're going to give it a miss. The original ticket to get up there would have been 109 francs, but we get it half price with the Swiss pass. So it would have been about £50 to go up all the way to the top glacier, which apparently is the highest cable car in Europe, which I'm confused about because I've been to Mont Blanc and I thought that was the high, but I don't know. It's around the same mountain range anyway, that area. So
we'll have a look.
But if it's not clear, then we don't want to spend 50 quid to go up. Although the ice caves look really interesting up there, so
they do.
We'll see.
We'll see how we feel when we get there.
But the half price with the Swiss card, you know, makes it more bearable. I won't want to have paid £100 to go up there, but 50 quid, I think, well, you spend 50 quid on a day trip anyway. So we've got coats and stuff in here because it's going to be cold up there. And
mountaineering.
What's that? You don't even need a key for this apartment. It works off an app on your phone.
Should.
It should. I have to unlock it on the app on my phone. But it's really interesting. It tells you to download it before you get here. You ready? Randa. Locked. And then I click unlock. Now it's open. We just missed the train by like a second. So we're looking around this little town until the next train comes in half an hour. But it's up a hill. We weren't ready for that yet. So if you're wondering whether a Swiss card a Swiss travel pass is worth it or not, we've just looked on that ticket machine to see how much this train would cost to get to Zermatt from here, which is about a 15-20 minute journey.
Yeah, if that really.
A return is £30, so £15 one way, £15 back.
Per person, that is.
Per person. So just yesterday and today we would have spent £60 alone just going down there and back. We did like 3 or 4 different trains yesterday. The last train we took, which was about an hour, I've just seen how much it is to get there again, £56 one way. So yeah, our Swiss pass at £300 for 10 days is really good because we would have spent probably £300 already. So definitely get one if you are a tourist in Switzerland, and bonus points if you can get it when they've got an offer on as well, because they often give away days for free or discounts on it, or yeah.
It's definitely worth it anyway.
Definitely worth it, because then we just, like I said, been to Japan, and the Japan rail pass there, look at that little sheep.
So it's scaring the sheep.
And the Japan rail pass there, in my opinion, isn't worth it. We had 4 weeks there and spent the same price as what a Japan rail pass would have been for 21 days. And you can only use certain railways with the Japan rail pass, whereas here you can use all transport, even boats, even some cable cars, you know, you get loads of discounts. So we didn't actually get one in Japan, so we do look into it before we do it. But yes, the Swiss travel pass is 100% worth it.
That's not going to work. Well, it's a good thing we came yesterday, because it's wet, it's raining, which is typical. You can't see the Matterhorn at all. Should be there. Also, an interesting thing about here is they have no cars, except for these, which I think are electric. But no cars at all. And Lauren's just been stopped by the little chocolate.
I'd love to have some, but it'll cost probably £1,000.
Hey, it might not be that expensive. It might be 999 francs.
Just been sat here. What you don't see is we've just been sat here for about 2 hours waiting for that mountain to peer out of the clouds. And it finally happened, so perseverance does pay off. Oh, I've got six. So a Big Mac meal is about £12 here. For a medium one as well, not even a large. But we had to come, I mean we always get Mackies everywhere we go, but we had to come to one of the most expensive McDonald's in the world, in Switzerland. So not the most expensive, just one off. And it certainly was £20, well over £20 for two double cheeseburgers and chips.
So in Switzerland, if you want to fill up your water bottle, there's free fountains everywhere, and pretty much all of them are drinkable. And this is obviously being rubbed a lot of people, so I'm just going to say hello. Little marmot. Just live around here in the mountains. Do you want to rub the marmot, Lauren? Do you want to go and touch the marmot?
Yeah. Where is it?
Stroke his head.
Is it good luck?
Probably.
Got a jumper on again, it's boiling hot. All these wildflowers are why
Dandelions.
I can't sleep at night. That sun, believe it or not, is an absolute scorcher. In fact, I don't even know what degrees it is. But it feels well over 30 in this heat.
17 degrees.
It's definitely more than 17 in this heat and this when the sun's out. It was meant to be raining now, and it's not. It's absolutely boiling. Mountains over there are just starting to come out from the clouds. And yeah. We were going to go up the cable cars in Zermatt, £50 it would have been, but around there it still looked a bit cloudy, and we thought there's so many more cable cars we're going to do while we're here in Switzerland. We thought we'd save our pennies for them ones instead. Because them ones have got like cliff walks and stuff at the top of them, so they're really worth doing. How warm is it out here?
Apparently 17 degrees, but it's not. It's warmer than that. We are once again doing a recipe that we made in Norway.
Our trick, it's a cup of soup, you put it in the pasta water, it makes a really nice pasta sauce, and you ain't got to carry around jars of pasta sauce with you everywhere you go.
Look, it's not ideal, but it tastes
nice. Though. It's dead nice.
Yeah, and it's quick.
We in Norway, didn't we? We'll not be doing that again.
Although we do have some balsamic chicken that I've done as well, and some salad. The iceberg lettuce is frozen, so it's literally an iceberg. Yeah, so we're not eating that. That's not bad.
Fried chicken, it's actually kept the moisture a bit
Yeah.
more.
There we go. Fancy meal.